Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to hide your WhatsApp profile photo from one person. If you want to hide your WhatsApp profile photo from one person, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to do some settings. First you have to open your WhatsApp, then tap on three dots in the top right corner, then go to settings. In settings, here's the privacy, just select it. In privacy, you'll get the option of profile picture, just tap on it. And here you can see there are four options which are who can see my profile photo, everyone. If you select everyone, so everyone on WhatsApp can see your profile photo. If you select my contacts, only your contacts will see the profile photo. If you select nobody, so nobody can see your profile photo except you. But if you want to hide your profile photo from just one person, so just select the third option, which is my contacts, accept. Just select it. And here you have to select the contacts from which you want to hide your profile photo. You can see I have selected these three, so just tap on done. And now everyone can see my profile photo except these two contacts excluded. So that's how to hide your WhatsApp profile photo from just one person. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.